Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Tyler, and I got 3 different orders of ice cream to make. So we're gonna start with that vanilla base that I made last time and turn it into 3 different flavors. Salted caramel, peanut butter chocolate, and cookie dough ice cream. So, let's go! So when we double this recipe, it makes 6.5 cups of ice cream, and so that will be enough for 3 pints. I got my pot right here, so let's start pouring that milk in. Got 1 full cup of sugar in here, 1/2 cup in here, and the other half will get beaten by the beater. 6 little egg yolks. I like to use all high quality ingredients because that's the whole reason I started making ice cream, was to get away from all that chemicals. So free range egg yolks from the local farm. The vanilla. Once your custard reaches 180 on the stove, throw it in the fridge, give her a good chill. 2 cups of cream. Look at that. Now to figure out these 3 flavors. Wow, that was the easy part. Time to churn the base. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Just flick the last little bit in there. Yoo-hoo! Make sure you use a wooden spoon so when you dump this, it's good for the chakras, you know? Spatula would have been a lot easier. Alright, you'll have to excuse my friend here. She's a little loud. Take your 1 cup of sugar, throw it in the pan. Take her over to the stove. Now over medium heat, we're just gonna stir it constantly and it'll get clumpy and turn into a nice little solid brown. Okay, so I guess apparently that's what melted sugar looks like. I have never done this. Woo! She hot. She hot and sexy, baby. Oh! Order up! This is for table 2! Once this is going, we got the butter, sugar in there melted. Let's see what happens. I don't know. Oh! Oh! While I'm whisking, I'll be adding the cream. Mrs. Doubtfire, you got cream on your shoulder. Oh, what did she say? You got cream on your nose. Late again, Mr. Potter. 1 rat's tail, 1 newt. Turn to page 394, Mr. Potter. Now add your salt. Yeah, I think so. It's looking a little more dark than I was hoping, so probably burnt. Let's take a test. Well, folks, I burnt it. First 2 didn't go so well. The initial taste was really good, the aftertaste was disgusting. Can't do that. I think we used Himalayan salt, maybe that affected it. So this one didn't use Himalayan salt, just no salt at all. We'll see where it gets to. I think it's good. I think it's good, yeah. So that's a winner. Maybe start with that, see what it does. Oh yeah. Holy, that looks good. Are you seeing this, people? Wow. This is gonna be a hit. Now, add a little bit of salt. I don't want to overdo it because I did that last time and had to keep throwing them out. Just get the little chunkies in there. Try to kind of like ribbon this. So we'll see how that works out. Start with that. Now just nice gentle turns. Okay, going off to a lovely customer. Specimen number B. I hope they enjoy this just as much I enjoy looking at it. Signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours. Boom! Into the freezer. Woo! Still have to make the peanut butter. Chef always gets the leftovers. Ooh, that's good. I actually like the big chunks of salt. That coarse salt is really good. Scores. That's good. Tastes like a score ice cream, but homemade and no chemicals. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, keep. Mm. That's insane. You can take this homemade cookie dough, blend some of this into the ice cream to get it in there, and then also add some chunks. See if that works out. Last minute decision, so let's do it. La, 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 la. Jesus.
Okay.
Okay, just chuck little pieces in there. Boop. This will taste delish. I think that's good. I don't know. Who knows? I don't. Ooh, I almost made too much. Ooh, just here. That actually looks unreal. Whipping cream. Add peanut butter until you like the taste of it. I do around 100 grams, just FYI. Got your desired taste? Dump her in. Now we wait. We're gonna melt the chocolate. We're gonna use a little bit of coconut oil. So right now we're gonna be making a chocolate crackle on top of this peanut butter. And instead of just throwing chocolate chips in there or something, it gets pretty waxy and hard to eat. Melt it first, and then drizzle her in. Yeah, there it is. Scraps for the chef. Cheers. That's so good. I gotta make myself more. I keep making other people ice cream, and this is really good. A customer wanted salted caramel. Never made that before. As you saw, didn't work out a few times, but figured it out. And then another customer wanted peanut butter. Oh, it's so good. Peanut butter chocolate crackle. I've made that before. We knew what we were doing. Figured out some flavors, made some old flavors. That was chaos in the kitchen, but we figured it out. Now we know how to make some new flavors. Blah, blah, blah. It's a great day to eat some ice cream. Enjoy.